In this video, I want to show you how to merge multiple tables in Microsoft Word. So for example, in this document, I have different parameters with their table. You can see gender distribution and the table and other different characteristics of the respondent with their tables. So in a situation where I want to merge all these tables together into a single table, how to effectively get that done? So to do that is quite straightforward and simple. So to make it easier, the first thing to do is to adjust all the table just like this to make sure they are like this before you start merging it. So expand the table to be of equal size like this. So just make sure you adjust the table like this. It's just to make it easier for us. So after adjusting all the table like this, what to do is that you give it a general table name. For example, let's call it table 1, socio-demographic characteristics of the respondent. So after writing the general title you want to give to the table, so what to do is to come here and remove this, highlight it and press backspace key, then press the delete key. You can see that it has joined the table together. So likewise this, remove it by pressing backspace, then the last line just click delete. It will merge it to the previous table. So likewise this, just highlight it and backspace like this, then press the delete key. It will merge the table. This one, just press backspace key, and the last one, press delete key. You can see that it has merged it. Similarly, this one as well, it has merged it. So you can see that we have merged all the table. However, these tables are not properly aligned. So what you can do is to start from the beginning and click and drag to align everything properly, just like this. You can see that we are aligning it just like this. Then the middle one also, if anyone is not aligned, just click and drag to align it as deemed fit, just like this. Yes, you can see that we have successfully merged all the tables together. And of course, if you like, you can highlight these headings and make it bold. The headings of each sub-table, you can make it bold to differentiate it if you wish to, just like this. So in essence, you can see that we have successfully merged these multiple tables into a single table. So in the situation where you have data in different tables and you wish to merge it together into a single table, this is how to do it in the most effective way. Thank you for watching.